A lot of time when we face layoffs, when we get fired, or when we are at the receiving end, we have this question, why me? Out of so many people working in this company, why am I getting fired? So there was a time in my career when I went through a similar situation and I asked that question to myself. At that time, I did not have that experience or maturity to understand that this could have happened to me any day. But today, having gone through such experience, I want to share certain very, very clear signals which you should note in your environment, which will tell you that something is not right, something may go wrong. Some of these are macro signals, which means these are things happening at your organization level, department, or account level. And some of these are micro signals, which means it is very much specific to you. So what are those macro signals? Macro signals are that your company is not doing good, the business is not doing good. On a quarter to quarter basis, the business is going down, the profits are going down, there is no new business, the company has stopped hiring new people, the company has stopped hiring freshers, there is no investment happening in the R&D space, there is no discussion about expansion of business, there is extra caution around how do we save costs. All of these things, if these are the things being discussed, then you know there is something not right at the organization level or at the account level. Also, there can be things like mergers and acquisitions. If somebody is buying your company or if it is getting merged with another company, that is also a signal that something might just go off. So please look for these signals in the quarterly company reports. Most of the companies publish quarterly business reports where they tell you how their business is doing, what is the value of their share in the share market if it is a publicly traded company. Otherwise, they also share about their plans of expansion, about their plans of hiring, headcount, etc., etc. So please listen to that quarterly update very, very carefully. That is one. Second is also within the company, when you go and attend certain meetings where leadership or management people come and talk, please try to understand what they are trying to say. And if you see talks about cost cutting, if you see talks about a dry pipeline, business not growing the way the company forecasted, etc., then you know that something is wrong. All right. So that was macro level observation. What is micro level observation? Micro level observation is observation about your own performance. If you have not performed well in the last 2-3 years, if you are getting bad appraisal ratings, then it is a red flag. If your manager is giving you continuous feedback, that is a red flag. Or if you think your manager was talking to you very nicely, all the discussions were very positive, but from the last 6 months, all of a sudden your manager has changed. All of a sudden the attitude has changed, the way they talk to you has changed. Or if they are not giving you enough time, if they are not listening to your concerns, there can be so many ways in which you can feel that something is wrong in the way my manager used to interact earlier or the way the manager is interacting now. These are all red flags or signals. Few more things like if you are getting unrealistic targets, or in other words, if you are getting pushed to achieve too much in too little time, which means you are being set up for failure. Or if your boss is more interested in talking to your juniors directly, which means you are now getting sidelined and your boss is more interested in having direct conversations with your team members, then it is clear that something is not right. And whenever organizations start to talk about restructuring, it clearly means that they are going to reduce staff. So all of these are signals or red flags that you should definitely observe